Australia, a land of rugged beauty, brimming with danger and wonder. Its vast and varied landscapes are home to creatures of every kind, some deadly, some undeniably endearing, and among them, perhaps the most iconic, the emu and the kangaroo. There is a little-known truth that binds the two creatures. Neither the emu nor the kangaroo can move backward. Their anatomy compels them ever forward. A fitting metaphor for Interroll Australia. Never backward, always forward.
Interroll Australia has been represented and operating in Australia since 1990. We are responsible for the Australian and New Zealand regions. You will find our products and solutions in many applications across the supply chain, mainly found in automated warehouses, express and postal services, e-commerce, airports, food and beverage, and in fashion.
5 years after Interroll Australia's founding, corporate leadership transitioned the business to a franchise model, awarding Australian company Anthony Innovations control of the Australian and New Zealand territories. Through its vast network within the region and strategic investments, Anthony Innovations successfully grew the business over a 15-year period. In 2010, the Anthony Group transferred the franchise back to Interroll, re-establishing Interroll Australia as a fully owned subsidiary.
I was the first managing director in Interroll in Australia when we set up the company, and I saw that as an interesting challenge, because there wasn't really anybody in Australia doing the sort of things that Interroll did then or does now. There was no real conveyor component manufacturers, there was no drum motor manufacturers or even drum motor competitors in the country at that stage. And the main market was really only in supermarket conveyors, supermarket checkout conveyors. That was the only market that the products were sold into. So it was always that, now we've got this one going, what's the next one?
While Interroll Australia experienced growth, the country's economy was contracting. Thankfully, Interroll Australia's strong market position provided stability for its employees during a time of great uncertainty. It is a theme that has carried on in its 35 years of existence.
I enjoy my job. I've never enjoyed any other job in my lifetime but this one. Working for Interroll Australia has been an absolute honour for me.
I'm proud working in Interroll because the people are passionate, every department's here to help each other out, and with a proven product, that just makes it even easier.
The commitment of its employees was tested in 2020. As COVID-19 raged across the globe, businesses and schools shuttered, and Melbourne enacted some of the strictest COVID-19 lockdown rules in the world. Australian residents turned to e-commerce to fulfill their needs, which created a never-before-seen demand for material handling. In fact, the need was so great that the government classified Interroll as an essential service provider. Remaining focused on the needs of its customers, Interroll Australia rapidly established new procedures to ensure employee safety while continuing to manufacture critical products and solutions. Not a single day of production was lost.
I believe that true partnerships are built on trust. This is why Interroll has created the Rolling on Interroll program, a global network of approved Interroll partners. We are committed in finding ways to resolve today's and tomorrow's material handling challenges. For these reasons, at Interroll Australia, we are passionate about our customers.
I'm proud to be part of Interroll. The values that we have of respect for our customers, our excellence that we have, I hold those dear, and these are the values that we should be holding each one of us every day of the week for every project.
As part of the sales team, I'm often the first point of contact for customers' orders and inquiries. So I feel that my job is very important because we certainly strive for first resolution contact.
Locally, through our people, we focus on providing our customers with solutions from our platform of products that include sales advice, engineering concepts, local assembly of our products, warehousing and administration.
Interroll Australia's employees bring a special perspective to their daily lives.
Never backwards, always forward is an attitude for us. It means we're committed to our customers and we're committed in general to excellence. We want to deliver our goods and projects on time, and we want to do everything in our hands to keep our promise to the customer, which is quality, speed and simplicity.
Never backwards, always forwards. To me, this is where we learn and then we use that knowledge to then aid our customers.
So one of the things that we sort of live by in service is never backwards, always forwards, and that's the way that we like to be on site. That's the attitude that we bring. We like to make sure that we always deliver for our customers.
Never backwards, always forwards is just a great mindset and mantra that the company have, and that's exciting.
The belief in never backward, always forward has propelled Interroll Australia to where it is today.
It's grown from a successful but relatively small company when I was now first involved to now being a really global player with manufacturing facilities spread all around the world, and it's obviously in most developed marketplaces you'll find Interroll products.
We strive to deliver solutions that reduce environmental impact, increasing efficiency and improve the overall user experience for our customers. We've just been awarded platinum status for EcoVadis, which means that we're one of the top 1% of businesses.
Seeing the company go through the different phases and to where it is today is just, it's a great feeling, a little bit overwhelming.
Investment goes beyond the bottom line. It's a gateway to the future.
The future at Interroll I think is very exciting given the current product range that we have, and with an innovative mindset, exciting to see where that will take us into the future. I'd be glad to be a part of that.
At Interroll, our future is bright. I see us maintaining a position as a global leader in materials handling solutions, expanding a focus on sustainability, fostering a culture of continuous learning, and keep building stronger collaborations with our customers and partners.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing that after 35 years the company's going so strongly, and clearly you can only do that if you're always moving forward. And it's been an honour to be involved in the celebration of that timeline, and I wish you all the best for the future.
Interroll Australia. Never backward, always forward.
Seeing the company go through the different phases and to where it is today is just, it's a great feeling, a little bit overwhelming. It certainly feels great that the company is continuing on into success.